So we're a little stuck. We have the sleeves a little rusted on this radius arm.
Just a little.
So we're going to use the press. Paul, do the honors, sir. There you go. And it should pop it pretty easily.
Reminds me of the end of the first Terminator movie.
Yes!
Moving.
That solves that problem. All right, hit the red button. All right, now to release it, that little lever, the yellow lever, just push it in or out. Just push it. Yeah, there you go. See, there you go. All right, now stop. Grant, see if it's, undo that nut, see if it'll come right off now. It should probably just fall on the floor. Or is that stuff still stuck on there? Got it? Nice. All right, that was quick and easy and painless. Good job, boys. Easy. Easy.
What part is that?
That's the radius arm. So we got the radius arm. So let's go.
Oh, hi, Larry.
Hey, Larry's here.
Yeah, Larry's here.
Yeah.
Big thing is Bobby's here.
I'm here.
Happy to see you.
Well, yeah, well, it's class. I can't miss class. I'm supposed to be the person in charge, which is terrifying.
I know. Well, you left. Yeah, you left all the kids in charge.
Yeah. Yeah. Like,
Now, when are we going to be moving to your garage?
probably once Peter's car is done. I'm going to say probably January. We'll get Peter's car done. We'll put a little more time in on the Fiat. And we're talking about maybe doing, once Andre's shop's going, maybe rotating. Go here 1 week, my shop 1 week, Andre's 1 week.
Oh, that'd be good.
Do a little rotation.
Yeah.
So,
And Andre's his body?
yeah, Andre's going to be body and paint. So you got the goodies. Yeah, we need that. That can go in the trash. Thank you, sir. All right. And we got Peter cleaning. Wick's going to do a demo on...
Wick let us all drive his car yesterday.
Nice. You got to drive the Galaxy. Isn't that fun? That car's awesome.
Yeah, I had flip-flops on, and I was afraid it wasn't actually going to stop. So.
You were pensive.
Yeah, Grant almost put it into that wall back there.
What's his face really drove around here?
Oh, yeah, Ryan.
Oh, yeah. Well, Ryan can drive.
Yeah, like 4 laps, chirping.
Yeah. Here.
There's video of me sideways in that thing right here.
This here?
Yeah.
Sideways?
Yeah.